Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today real quickly to share with you some MEMORYDEX cards that I just made. I've got this kit from Stampin' Up. It's their paper patch, pumpkin patch, you know what I'm talking about. But it's an older kit and it came with a bunch of these calendars, and actually a friend of mine gifted me one too, so I had double sets. So I'm just trying to use up these calendars, and I thought what a fun way to use them up and make these MEMORYDEX cards. So I just have stuff from my stash here that I've added. These flowers, I've done a video on them. I will put a link here if you've not seen those videos. And then I have one here, and I just added some resin pieces, and I received these bows here from a crafty subby of mine. Thank you so much. And then I have this one here. How cute is this mini cupcake? And this one here I made for a subby of mine's. I do send out happy mail to my subbies if I have a MEMORYDEX card of theirs that has the information on it. And so one of my subbies' birthdays is coming up next month, and so I made this for them. If you're new here, welcome. Thank you for stopping by. If you're returning, I appreciate your love and support. These are my MEMORYDEX cards that I am going to add to my stash and send out shortly. So for more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas.